What is the effect of deforestation on the environment? Deforestation means cutting of tree. So, forest over 31% of the land area on our planet. They produce vital oxygen by the process of photosynthesis and provide home for people and the wildlife. Many of the world's most threatened and endangered animals live in forests and billions of people rely on its benefit. Forest and offer food, fish, fresh air, clothing, medicine, and the shelter. Forests play a critical role in reducing climate change because they act as carbon sink, soaking up carbon dioxide that would otherwise be free in the atmosphere and contributed to ongoing change in the climatic pattern. But man is destroying this natural beauty by cutting them down for his sake and comfort. The cutting down of tree for the conservation of forest into non-forest land is known as deforestation. It means whenever we will cut the tree, it means there will be the loss of oxygen and loss of fertile soil, and there will be more flooding, and the animal will migrate, and all the life will change. So here is the diagram or photographs of deforestation, and what are the cause why the people are deforesting. Deforestation Deforestation is done deliberately due to the mining, paper making, urbanization, timber for making road and agriculture expansion, and livestock breeding. So these are the main cause of deforestation, and what are the effect on it. Deforestation results with a great loss in biodiversity, such as increase in concentration of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are actually, students, those gases which absorb the heat. It include carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, nitrous oxide. These are actually known as the greenhouse gases, which lead to the global warming. It means globe is referred as Earth. So it lead to the global warming, and when the globe will warm, the temperature will rise, and what will happen next? It called the glacier melting. Glaciers are the rock of ice. So the rise of temperature caused glacier melting, which is the reason of raising sea levels and cause the flood. Especially the people who are living near the seaside will be affected severely. It is also the reason of habitat loss of wildlife. Soil erosion, low rainfall due to no transpiration are also the result of deforestation. And what happen as the result? Further endangered and extinct species. Some species will be in danger, and maybe some completely finish or extinct. It means due to human activity such as entertainment or food, animal are becoming endangered at risk of extinction in future, or some have gone extinct surely of not finding the last individual of that species in the ecosystem. Some of endangered species are mentioned below. Number one is long-billed vultures. Vulture uh, eat the dead flesh, and sea green sea turtles, and snow leopard, and Marco Polo sheep, European otter, and Balochistan forest dormouse, and Sindh ibex, Asian black bear, Indus River dolphin. So these species are endangered in Pakistan. So let's summarize. Biodiversity is the degree of variation within the organism that exist on the earth, and biodiversity provide many beneficial products just like the oil, dyeing, rubber, water, timber, paper, etc. And classification of organism takes place on the basis of morphological characters, cytological characters, and the genetical character. And morphologically, organisms are classified as homologous and analogous. We have discussed these terminology already in the previous videos. And the group of classified organism called taxon, and the smallest and basic unit of classification is species. It is a group of organisms which are similar in structure and can interbreed to provide the fertile and visible offspring. And the arrangement of taxa in ascending order to form a ladder is called the taxonomic hierarchy. And the science of classification is called taxonomy. And the father of taxonomy is Carolus Linnaeus, and who gave the concept of binomial nomenclature to avoid the confusion of people of different area. In the beginning of living organism were classified into two kingdom, then three kingdom, then four, and finally five. So Robert Whittaker classified the organism into five kingdom system as Monera, Protista, Panchae, Plantae, and Animalia. And lack of awareness of environmental issue, weak awareness, etc., are the main problem associated to conserve the biodiversity. At last, I want to say that we have to save our biodiversity by taking care. Thanks.